The universe was simple. There was only black and white, light and dark, good and evil. But when two forces clashed, a contrasting gray of various shades was born. This color mixed further and in greater detail until the complexity itself bred life as we know it.
Yo, what is going on, boys and girls club? Mr. Mohar back with another video. This time, however, it's a little bit different from my normal videos. I wanted to kind of throw this one in there, sort of separate my previous videos from my next ninja videos. So this one's not an athletic video. In fact, this is a triple play soul enrichment activity, rather than a triple play body or any other kind of activity. So what you saw at the beginning of this video was actually a movie that I just kind of threw together, but basically, I'm going to teach you how to do that. So first of all, of course you want the voice actors for it. Here you can see Cast and Call Club. This is where you can find free voice actors. Everything I'm going to show you is completely free because I know some of you won't really be able to afford some of this stuff. Especially being, so this is all stuff you can get for trials or for free. So voice acting, you can find a lot of voice actors that are really passionate to voice in your stuff as long as you have good work. So make sure you fill out a detailed request. All you have to do, go to My Projects, then make your own project, and there you go. Next up, the SFX, the sound effects. Similar to VFX, visual effects, you can find sound effects on freesound.org. So on this website, you can see there's a whole lot of different things. There's a light switch for you, there's sand, there's everything here. Similarly, if you're feeling really talented, Soundation.com is another great website for music, integrated with the actual music making rather than sound design. So this is where you really want to go to get your music if you really want to have more of a successful project. So definitely check out Soundation.com. Of course, again, it is completely free. The easiest way to get music, of course, just search royalty-free music on YouTube. You can find a whole list of music. There's thousands of stuff. I know Kevin MacLeod's stuff is pretty great. This is some stuff that I use in some of my projects. So definitely check him out. And of course, there's just a whole bunch of other stuff you can find all throughout. And then of course here we have a website to download the YouTube videos so you can actually use them in your project, unless of course you record it during actually watching the video. You can do that as an alternative if your software has a recording device. However, this is a great way to just make sure you have the file saved to your computer. And then of course we need to get into what software you actually want to use. So Windows Movie Maker is actually a free software. It comes with a lot of computers, so some of you don't even have to download it. It's just down there in the taskbar. You just have to search for it on your computer. But this is definitely the most basic editing software. If you've never used one before, this is one you want to get into. Movie Maker, great choice to start off with. Very basic, very simple, easy to use. Definitely check it out. And then the one I actually made my project in, this one's a free trial, so after a month or so you will have to pay for it. But for now, it's good for getting experience, getting a couple projects out there during your 30 days, especially during quarantine while you have a lot of extra time. So you can see, here's the project right here, right down here. I have my 30-second video. You can see this is absolutely what it is. You can do a whole lot of editing. Down here is the timeline where you can actually edit it. Here's the video. You can change the size of the timeline, make it bigger and tinier. This is what I actually use to edit all my other videos as well. You can see the different audio blurbs I can put in here, and then you can edit it on the timeline to be wherever you want.
Simple. There was only black and white, light.
And then once you're done with your movie, all you have to do is share it, render it as a normal file. You can even choose any of these. 1080 is the most professional for Camtasia. Name it whatever you want. Finish, and then there you go. So thank you all so much for watching. Make your movies, send them to me, let me know what you think down below, and have a great day.